Chicky, chicky, chicky. Chicky, chicky, chicky. That's right. So much cleaner. Do you want your stick back? You want your stick back? There you go. Alexander is good with this stick.
Big.
It is big.
Big. Tail. Standing.
The stick is standing up, that's right.
Tail.
We're going to use it for fishing.
Yes. Tail.
The fishing is good today. That's a good job fishing.
What?
It's muddy. That's true.
Muddy. Muddy.
It's very muddy over there. That's true.
Fence. Fence.
The fence is there. Yeah, the fence is there. That's true.
Under.
You want to go under the fence?
Mm.
We might have to do that after Mommy and Baby talk to Grandma on the telephone.
One, two.
Because it's Grandma's birthday. And it's Bubby Phil's birthday.
Uncle. Paddy.
That's who comes on birthdays. That's true.
Paddy.
And we'll go see them on birthdays too.
Fence.
Mind me.
Fence.
You want to go under the fence a little bit?
Doggy. Window. Kitty. Tickle. Bone. Water.
Safely?
Glasses.
Safety glasses would be necessary for water sometimes. Like if you were using a wet saw, maybe. A little bit muddy.